What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Columbus Aviation, and here we have yet another model to unbox. And this is a special one. This is a Skybus Airlines A319 Airbus A319 in the Spirit of Columbus livery. You can see it on the box art there. Skybus was an airline that was based in my hometown, Columbus, from 2007 to 2008, and it only operated for about 10 months before shutting down. And I already have a Skybus model. It's actually this one, the Capital One Money Market Scheme. So I guess I'll keep that over here, but that is not what we are unboxing today. I actually already unboxed that one. I'll link that video in the card above and the description below. What we are unboxing today is a Skybus A319 in the Spirit of Columbus livery. So, without further ado, let's crack this box on open. Okay, so here we have the brand new, very old model. I think this was a 2007 release. And yeah, so we don't have too much to talk about here. Let's just take a look, an in-depth look. I finally have my pointer back. I found a pen. So let's start up by the cockpit windows where you can see, oop, this is a little tail heavy, where you can see just there, it's got Spirit of Columbus titles underneath the cockpit windows. And then it's got the L1 door, that very nice pattern just above the, actually it runs through the whole plane. We've got the big Skybus titles in the singular emergency exit. Yeah, there we go. We've got skybus.com on the engine, the like orangish yellow engine. And then also the Skybus butterfly, which is made of an S and a B, if you didn't know that, on the fence winglet. Then moving down, we've got the registration, which is November 521 Victor Alpha, and like a special looking kind of waving American flag. And then we've got the L2 door and the tail, which has the SB, which is a butterfly for Skybus, obviously. So let's turn her around. It's a little tail heavy. I feel like all of the older Gemini A319s are. This is GeminiJets, I forgot to mention. You can see there, it's a Gemini box. It's got the flap. So let's start with the back, as per usual, on here, with the SB butterfly title, or tail. And then there you've got the registration, 521 Victor Alpha, and the American flag. Airbus A319 titles as well. Ooh, I keep hitting the model, oops. Oh. I have bad depth perception. Back there is the aft cargo compartment. We've got the engines again, and then the forward cargo compartment just over there, and then the R1 door. Did I say L2? I meant R2 in the back. And then, so let's take a look at the front of this model, and from above. And then let's take a look at the bottom as well, which it's got the GeminiJets logo. Alright, so let's park that up next to my other Skybus A319 and take a look at both of them. I think that looks pretty nice, don't you? So now I have a fleet of Skybus aircraft, and that will lead me to a quick announcement here, which has already been announced in my inaugural Lake Erie Regional Airport update, but sorry, I can't get words out right now. All of my fictional airports will have service from Skybus in some capacity, whether it's a charter, diversion, or actual scheduled service, because I've got these models and I figured why not use them? They're pretty cool, and yeah. So basically, in whatever universe that my airports are in, Skybus never ceased, and that they made it through 2008. So yeah, pretty cool. Great model. Really enjoy it. I think it looks really, really good. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Please be sure to check out some of my other content and subscribe to Columbus Aviation. With that being said, Columbus Aviation signing out.